on, give us a little class.
A class? Okay. Low one in here, you rack it, turn around, low another one and rack it. This right here is going to be your safety. When it's black, it's safe. When it's red, it's safe. You always shoot from the shoulder. Shoot like this. This is going to be your pump. When it's red, you put your finger in the trigger, you pump it and shoot. You all get a little gold bead on the top of here. You want the gold bead to be a little bit below your target.
I wasn't paying attention.
Wow.
Press a button?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Wait.
Ready? Where does it come from? Where does it come from?
Just shoot it. Perfect.
Way off. Did you only put 2 in there?